Okay, hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to take a $20 investment and turn it into 500 to 1000 plus residual per month, plus a little hack for a $200 signing on bonus. Okay, so my team just came across this program the other day. We are all launching. We also have a team rotator, which means that once you sign up, you will fill out a form and then lots of sales from upline leaders go into the rotator and you can make sales that way on autopilot just to get you started. Okay, so the company is called myecon. They're just basically a service on how to acquire wealth, how to save. They have credit repair. They have lots of different kinds of services, which I would definitely take advantage of. But the best part, of course, is the commission and the comp plan. So once you are interested, if you ask for info, and you can do this once you join to other people who are interested, you will join this group, Let's Get This Money. Read the pin post. We have all the info here. There's actually several different streams, but this video is focusing on the first one here. So this video, I think it's already popped up somewhere. It's going to show you how the comp plan works. So you sign on for $20 to become a um, market director, and then it's $35 a month. So anytime there's a monthly fee, that means residual income. So that's always a good thing. And you don't have to pay it until a month afterwards. So you can kind of, test it out. If you don't want to continue, you don't have to pay it. If you are making lots of money, then go ahead and pay it. So that's what I like about that. Okay, so once you start, you're going to be the market director. Go back here. So you're going to get two first people. You're going to get $10 commission for. Okay, that ranks you up to EVP, Executive Vice President. Then you transfer over to this base shop qualifier, and you start making $35 per person who you bring in. Okay, and that's every month. Remember, because they're paying $35 every month, you're making that commission. That's 100% commission. That's pretty good. Best part is, as you bring people in, you also make $25. This is monthly off the first two people they bring in. Okay, and this goes down to infinity. It doesn't get the smaller payouts. Most companies that work this way, they get like smaller and smaller payouts as they go down. This does not do that. So imagine making $50 per leg. Say you have 3 legs, that's 150 a month. Say you get, $100 per leg, that's 300 a month, 200 a leg, as it keeps going and going and going. What's great about these residual programs is that you can work really hard at it for a few weeks or a month, and then you just keep reaping the benefit because you've brought people in who are also working the program. Okay. So as I said again, this is every month. You get paid every week. There's also some more plans here. So the $50, 50% match. So the first two people, remember that you brought in the first two, the $10 ones, you make 50% of what they bring in. So say this person brings in a $35 commission, you make $17.50. So then you make $12.50 off of the 25. So that's pretty good as well. And then they also have these matching bonuses, team residual income. So if you have 100 people, you make 300 a month. If you have 200 people, you make 1,000 a month. That's on top of what you're already making. So I really, really like this comp plan. It's so affordable to get started. Even if you pay someone's way in $20, you make $15 off of that, and you make $25 off anyone they bring in. So it's really a win-win. Plus the team rotator. Okay, so what else? Oh, the $200 bonus. So what's cool about myecon is they have a direct deposit set up, and I don't know if you guys, lots of people have direct deposit through their job, but lots of the time, especially if you're working online and if you are looking for programs like this, you don't have a direct deposit because you don't have like an actual job that you go to. I don't. So I didn't have a direct deposit option, but now I do. Okay, so lots of banks will pay you a bonus for creating a new account. Sometimes they ask for crazy amounts of money or qualifiers, but I found a really good deal with Chase, and all you have to do is create an account and set up direct deposit, which now that you have myecon, you can easily do. Okay, so all your money goes direct to your new bank account at Chase, and they will send you $200 to your account. Okay, and only $25 to get start an account here. So that's a really easy way to get a $200 starting bonus. Then once you get into myecon, get your first 2 people, start making your where'd it go? $35 commissions paid every week. It's really foolproof. It's pretty easy to find someone with $20. This is US only. You do have to pay, standard checkout with a credit card, no Bitcoin options or PayPal, which, you know, limits it a little bit, but it's still definitely worth it. Okay, so as I said, once you join, you get added to our training group, our rotator, and, I can definitely help you start making sales. If you like this video on YouTube, please like, please subscribe. We'll have more videos coming out on how I'm doing some like major money flipping here. And if you're on Facebook, just send me a message if you want to get started. I'll have my link below as well. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.